Hi friends, welcome to Botany, the language of plants, and today's topic, structure of phloem. We know phloem help to conduct food from mesophyll cell to all parts of a plant. Phloem consists of four parts. These are sieve element. Sieve element divide into two types. One is sieve cells and another is sieve tube. Sieve element is a living cell and help to conducting food. And in case of sieve element, nucleus absent and lignified cell wall absent. So this is about sieve element. Now sieve cell. In case of sieve cell, sieve plate absent. They are elongated and both ends are pointed or maybe blunt. Many small narrow pores present within sieve cell. So this is sieve cell. In case of sieve cell, compinion cell absent and they may associated with albuminous cell. So sieve tube always contain compinion cell, but compinion cell absent in case of sieve cell. Some albuminous cell associated with sieve cell. Compinion cell absent in case of sieve cell. So, sieve cells are found on non-flowering vascular plants like pteridophyta. So, in case of pteridophyta, we get sieve cell instead of sieve tube, and companion cell also absent in case of pteridophyta and gymnosperm. Now, structure of phloem in angiosperm. We know that phloem in case of flowering plant contain sieve tube, companion cell. So this is sieve tube, companion cell. So this is companion cell, phloem parenchyma. So this is phloem parenchyma and phloem fiber. So this is phloem fiber. So it is the structure about phloem of flowering plants. Now about sieve tube. Sieve tube contain sieve plates, endoplasmic reticulum, parietal protein or P protein, plastid and mitochondria. So this is structure about sieve tube. Nucleus absent, plastid present, endoplasmic reticulum present, sieve plates present, mitochondria present, and a special type protein, that is P protein, present. Now, companion cell. Another important point about sieve tube, that between two sieve tube some discontinuous gaps are present. These are called callos. So if it is a sieve tube and here also another sieve tube present, then in this portion a gap present and again sieve tube wall present. This is called callos. Here also a sieve tube if there a sieve tube present, like this. So in between two sieve tube, sometimes a discontinuous gap present. This is called callose. So this is called callose. Now next is compinion cell. We know that compinion cell present beside sieve tube and they derive from same mother cell and remain in close contact with sieve tube, because to survive sieve tube nucleus very important, and in case of sieve tube nucleus absent, and companion cell contain nucleus. So companion cell is most important to survive of sieve tube. So companion cell contain a large vacuole, a nucleus, mitochondria, plastid, etc. Next, about phloem parenchyma. Phloem parenchyma contain a thin wall and nucleus, and all cell organelles also present within this phloem parenchyma. And this parenchyma cell mainly help to store starch, fat, resin, tannin, etc. in case of some plants. Now the another phloem component is phloem fiber. Phloem fibers are elongated. They contain narrow lumen, thick wall, and this phloem fiber made up with sclerenchymatous cells. Out of these four component, only phloem fiber is dead and act as a supporting cell, and other three components are living cell. Sieve tube also living because companion cell share its nucleus with sieve tube. So this is all about the structure of phloem. If you like this video, then press like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get notification, and thank you for watching this video.